Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can use Instabridge Wi-Fi password. So basically you can get this application from the Play Store or the App Store depending on the device that you are using. So let's just go ahead and open the application up, and from here we have multiple functionalities. For example, the first category is going to be inside the Wi-Fi section. From here you can look at the nearby Wi-Fi connections in your current location, and then you can simply view their passwords, and from there you'll be able to connect to them. Now another function on the Instabridge application is going to be the map function. This is where most people spend their time, because let's say that we are traveling to an area. Let's say it's going to be China right here. So I'll just go ahead and zoom it into China, and let's say that I'm going to travel onto one of their major cities, which is going to be this one. Now from here you will be able to see this gray dots and green dots. Basically what green means is that the Wi-Fi password will work most likely, and the gray one is going to be barely working or rarely working. So if you click on one of the green connections, you will be able to see that right here the name is going to be 403, and if you click on the show password, it will then allow you to watch an ad if you're a free user, and from there you'll be able to look at one of the passwords. So from here, as you can see, the password is going to be this specific number. So if you travel to this area, you'll just have to type this password and you are able to connect to this specific Wi-Fi. Another thing is going to be the VPN connection. Basically, you just want to select the server, click on the start button, and you should be good to go. So that's how you use the Instabridge Wi-Fi password. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.